Well, it's a new week, Monday, September 8th, and this is HISD Now, your daily update where we shine a spotlight on schools across HISD and bring you important updates that you need to know. Now, kicking things off today with our Family Corner webpage. It is now live on our website. There, you'll find links to everything you need this school year, all in one place, like Canvas, Power School, Parent Square, School Cafe, the Student Assistance Form, and much more. You can get there by going to houstonisd.org, then click on Families and Students. Then on that page, scroll down and click on Family Corner. Next up, we're talking pre-K. Spread the word and tell your friends and neighbors with little ones that there are still pre-K seats available in HISD for this school year. The link to sign up is in the video description of this video. It's also on our website, houstonisd.org, or on our social media pages. You can sign up today and give your child a strong start with high-quality early education. And speaking of high-quality education, our Campus Close-Up series is taking us to Lawson Middle School this week. Located in Southwest Houston, Lawson is a premier fine arts middle school offering a vibrant and competitive performing and visual arts program. That's one of the many topics I talked with Principal Blackman about. She shared with me how these programs are truly inspiring students every single day and why the arts are such an important part of student success.
Lawson is actually a fine arts magnet school. So we have dance, theater, band. We have an amazing percussion team. And then we have art. So sometimes, I want to showcase all of our great things going on here as far as fine arts, because sometimes when you say Lawson Middle School, you don't think of fine arts. But we do have an amazing fine arts program that we're growing here.
My full conversation with Principal Blackman is already up, and we're putting all the stories we're doing on Lawson this week in this playlist on the channel. So be sure to subscribe, like, and share. And if you missed last week's stories, HISD Now spent some time at Furr High School highlighting student voices and the school's community pride. You can catch all those stories in our Furr High School playlist. They're also up on our Facebook and Instagram pages. Well, that's it for today's update. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us across social media so you never miss a story. We'll see you back here tomorrow.